Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about definition and functions of money. So according to Marshall, money is that medium which is used as a means of exchange without any doubt or investigation regardless of time or place. It means that money is used as a medium of exchange of goods and services, and while exchanging goods and services there is no doubt regarding the value of money. Moreover, it is acceptable everywhere and at all the time. Robertson defines money as what is accepted universally in exchange of goods or services. That means Robertson also states that money is used as a medium of exchange of goods and services and it is accepted universally. Now, let's have a look at functions of money. So first one is money as a medium of exchange. This is the most important function of money. It makes exchange easier. A farmer can get money in exchange of wheat, and then from that money he can buy clothes, rice, ghee, shoes, etc. Similarly, an individual can spend money to satisfy his present demand of goods and services. Also, he may save this money for future to satisfy his future needs for goods and services. Second one is money as a store of value. Earlier, in barter system, it was difficult to store value. Like animals were used in barter system. But as we have seen that animals were mortal and therefore long-term saving of value was not possible. Therefore, money is used in storing of value. Now, it became possible to get money in exchange of crops and save the money for future needs to buy goods or services. Also, money is used as a standard of deferred payment. This feature of money has become an important base for entire system of credit, hire purchase and installment payments. Last one is money as a measure of value. Money plays an important role as a measure of value. Earlier, in barter system, it was difficult to remember the exchange rate of each and every goods and services. For example, if 20 kg of wheat equals to how much kg of rice or equals to how much meter of clothes, this was very much difficult, but money makes this easier. Money implies the price system, allowing to measure price of each and every goods and services. It is also possible to compare price of goods and services, and thus this allows faster decision making and exchanges.